Nothing says fall is here like a good old pumpkin smoothie. A few variations will get you sipping this season. I'm Krystin Goodwin for Buzz 60. Feast your eyes on this smoothie, made with pumpkin puree, banana, almond milk, maple syrup, a few fall spices, and ice. This smoothie is made with pumpkins, bananas, and plain Greek yogurt, topped with chocolate syrup and a cinnamon stick. If you're looking to make it a bit healthier, you could add in protein powder, then top with cinnamon and almonds. Yum. And wow, how do you even begin to sip this? It's oozing with goodness, topped with Brazil nuts, almond slivers, and tahini honey drizzle. Or how about a pumpkin gingerbread smoothie while kicking back to watch your favorite TV show? But if you're entertaining friends, you could add in some maple syrup and bourbon vanilla. That looks like a good time. So get the blender out. Cheers to autumn in a glass. Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.